Hello and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 1st of September. We're going to look at dollar yen now, and what we have seen on dollar yen is a move back towards this sort of pivot level of 109.80. So it had been old support, became resistance, and is now supportive again. Yesterday's low and pretty much today's low as well, around this sort of breakout level. But you'd look at these momentum indicators, you'd still say they're positively moving on the recovery, and this sort of all points towards a potential recovery, I think, back towards 111 big figure, and I think that is the big test. 111 big figure being the sort of near-term big pivot, capping the gains throughout August. So I think what you can see is this little correction back has been bought into. You've got a couple of strong bull candles, still big legacy of those candles intact, despite the fact that we had that corrective move yesterday that found support around 109.80 and still seems to be holding that. So you'd look at that as a positive, and here you can see on the hourly chart you're still sort of holding up above that support, and you're sort of seeing the momentum indicators turning around, the MACD lines turning up again, as are the stochastics, and the RSI sort of turning up around 40. So this is all sort of turning into a more sort of positive configuration chart. Need to hold on to that support though, I'd say, today, and there is a pivot of around about 40 pips really of the past sort of month or so really, where sort of 109.40 to 109.80 area has been key. Big turning points consistently around that sort of 50 pip band. So losing 109.40, 109.50, I think sort of would start to put you back under pressure, I think, to the downside. But I'd say that we are still looking at as a positive move, and I think we could still see room back, as I said, back towards 111 big figure. Now, to get that, I think you need a strong payroll support today, because dollar yen is very reactive to payrolls, and I think risk positive payrolls, i.e. a strong payroll support, would be good for the dollar, and certainly negative for safe havens such as the yen. So I think this would be a move. Positive report today would be a move of dollar yen back towards 111 big figure. Initial resistance 110.65 from yesterday's high. But yeah, I think this is a chart that could well be a big mover on payrolls today. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.